Daddy's got it.
Here we go.
Okay, jump to it. No, jump to me and then I'll put you on the float.
Claire's trying to decide what she wants to do.
Put your toes on the edge. 2.
Is she going to do it? There she goes.
Good job. You want to do it again?
Let's do it again. Let her go.
She's going to do it again. Yesterday she was jumping in all by herself. All the way underwater and everything.
I'm ready.
Here she goes.
3, 4, 5.
All right.
Okay, one more time. Ready?
And look what's going on over here. There's Katie swimming this way. Yeah, Katie's learning how to swim. And there's Tappy with a boat and Marin with her giraffe. Uncle Frankie, I don't know where he's going. And there's Allison.
Okay.
Let me go back over here.
3, 4, 5. I'm ready.
All right. Yay.
Do that again.
Yeah, some more people are coming this way. There's Katie.
You want to go under this time?
Hold on, let's watch Claire go, and then you can swim back to the
3, 4, 5.
Allie, you going to jump in again?
3, 4, 5. I'm ready.
I want to get a movie of you jumping in. Oh, look at Allison. She knows how to climb the rocks to get up on the dock. Here she comes. Come on down more. Why don't you go down there by Claire and jump in by Claire?
That's what Katie does, Mommy. She doesn't.
3, 4,
She only
5.
does arm strokes.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump.
Oh, I missed it.
1, 2, 3. Jump. Ah, you got my shirt wet. Do that again. Oh no.
Oh no. Daddy, go get it. Daddy, go get it.
Swim, swim, swim. Okay.
Oh no, the giraffe's going away.
Wait. Arm strokes, Daddy, yeah.
Daddy, save your giraffe?
Mama.
No, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm ready. 1, 2, 3.
I think Allison's crawling on the ground like a crab. You want to jump in again? I get your picture? Get a movie of you? Hi, Marin. Hi, sweetie.
I'll wait for you.
Okay, this time, yeah, wait till... Okay.
You went on 2.
Are you going to jump right there? Okay. Do you count to 3? What do you do?
1, 2, 3. Now I jump.
Yay!